here with my Dash Flex Press grill system and some ingredients to make a grilled sandwich. Let's see how it comes out. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I have my 2 grill plates in my Dash Flex Press grill system, and I have it heating up right now. And I also have some ingredients that I bought at Whole Foods. So this is their demi baguette. This was $1.79, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna cut this in half. It's actually longer than I thought it was, so I cut it in half this way, and then I cut this one in half, and this is what I'm gonna use as my sandwich. So I'm going to put that on the grill just to kind of heat up a little bit. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using in my sandwich. This is a real treat for me today because I can't tell you the last time I had a sandwich like this. So I have some beef bologna that I purchased at Whole Foods. This was $9.99 a pound. I got a quarter of a pound. It cost me $2.50, and this is about half of what I purchased. So this is like $1.25. This is some organic American cheese that I purchased at a local market the other day. And then over here I have some onions that I've cut into slices. If I had some lettuce, I'd be using that also, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna keep it pretty simple. Here's the bread. It's nicely toasted, so let's put the bologna on the bread. And then let's put the cheese on. That's just one slice that I cut in half. And then let's pile the onions on top. This is a sweet white onion. They're gonna fall all over the place, but once the cheese starts melting, then that should hold it up. And I also want to put some mustard on here. There's the other piece of bread. Look at those grill marks. I'm using some Grey Poupon mustard. I really like that mustard. Let's put the top of the sandwich on. Press it down. And let's put the sandwich back on the grill. And then let's press it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's sliding over a little bit. I'm just going to let it heat up for a minute or two. It's been about 2 minutes now, so let's open this up. There's some grill marks on top of here now. Now the cheese is not really like melty. I could see that it is a little bit soft. So I am going to take this off. Can I do that without burning myself? Super hot, super hot. All right, can I cut this in half? Listen to the crunch on that bread. This is actually a sourdough baguette. When I left the house earlier today, I was so tempted to go to Jersey Mike's and get one of their sandwiches for lunch, but I think their prices are high. It costs more than $10 for one of their regular sandwiches, which is about the same size as what I have here. So I thought to myself, well, I have to go to Whole Foods anyway to pick up a few things. Maybe I could pick up some sandwich ingredients there and make myself a sandwich a lot cheaper, and sure enough, I can. So if we add up the cost of this, the baguette, because I used half of it, was 90 cents. The bologna, because I used half of it, was $1.25. The cheese was about 50 cents. And let's say another 10 or 20 cents for the onions and the mustard. I don't even think, it was probably just like 10 cents for the onions and the mustard. So that brings us up to $2.75. So that is a very big savings versus buying a sandwich from a local sub shop. It would have cost me over $10, and I got it for about a third of the price by making it myself. So let's give this a taste now. It's really good, and it's definitely going to satisfy my sandwich craving today. The only thing is, I wish I would have grilled the bologna and make like a fried bologna sandwich. I haven't had one of those in a very, very long time. That's the only way that I would improve on this. And also if I had some lettuce, I'd put some lettuce on. That would be a nice addition. But other than that, I'm going to enjoy this for lunch today. And that's how easy it is to make a grilled sandwich in this Dash Flex Press grill system. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.